The first step in loading the sample is ensuring that the chamber is at air. If the evac LED is blue, press the evac air switch. The air LED should start blinking. When the air LED stops blinking and remains illuminated, the chamber is at air. After the air LED stops blinking, wait approximately 5 seconds or more before slowly drying out the specimen stage. Take out the sample and insert the specimen stop assembly into the stage base as shown. Adjust your eyes such that you are on the same level as the specimen stage and ensure that no part of the sample is touching any part of the instrument. Then gently close the stage door. Then press the evac air switch to evacuate the chamber while holding the door for about 10 to 20 seconds. The evac LED will blink blue while the chamber is being evacuated. Once evacuation is complete after 2.5 minutes, the evac LED will stop blinking and remains illuminated blue. That's it.